Traditional outbound sales operates on a slow attrition of human energy. It is an unyielding time sink that drains away hours of the workday. Teams lose entire afternoons to grueling, repetitive tasks, scouring Google Maps for leads, scrubbing out dead phone numbers, and scrolling through endless rows on a tracking spreadsheet. Then comes the emotional friction. It takes a massive creative toll to stare at a blank screen and draft a dozen cold emails, followed immediately by the dread of picking up the phone to make an awkward cold call. This creates a hard biological limit on business growth. We simply run out of working hours to scale manual effort. This scatterplot charts outreach volume against the level of personalization, illustrating a classic business dilemma. Traditionally, you had to choose between blasting out massive volume or executing highly researched, personalized pitches. Cheap automation tools try to bypass this by sending thousands of generic templates. That sounds robotic to the reader and quickly triggers spam filters, destroying your email deliverability. How do you remove the human from the manual grind while actually increasing the exactness of the pitch? The answer is the automated enterprise outreach engine. This system flips the traditional model. It forces massive scale and elite tailored quality to operate simultaneously. The engine begins by pulling in raw data. It mass sources thousands of local businesses using tools like Apify. Apify is a data extraction platform that automatically scrapes information from services like Google Maps. The system instantly categorizes these leads. It isolates companies based on specific structural flaws, flagging businesses that are suffering from low reviews or running outdated websites. Next, the phone numbers are checked against WhatsApp registries via Vapi.ai. Vapi.ai is an integration hub that connects software to external databases. Any dead numbers or invalid contacts are immediately purged. A human working at a desk would spend weeks verifying a list of this size. The automated system executes the entire sweep in seconds with zero errors. You are left with perfectly clean fuel. This protects your email deliverability right out of the gate and ensures you spend zero budget calling dead ends. With a verified target list secured, the engine shifts from gathering data to acting as an elite copywriter. It links with Apollo.io, a massive B2B contact database, to locate the direct decision maker, like the CEO or owner. Then an AI model scans the prospect's actual website to pull out the exact operational challenges they face. Based strictly on that website analysis, the system drafts a highly contextual email targeting those precise business hurdles and places it directly into your Gmail drafts. It bypasses blank screen fatigue entirely. You achieve one-on-one communication applied to thousands of targets simultaneously, requiring zero keystrokes. The engine never sleeps. It continually monitors your sent folder, tracking every single active conversation for incoming replies. If a prospect stops responding, the script reads the history of the thread and automatically drafts a context-aware nudge to revive the chat, removing the tedious burden of tracking follow-ups. For the most responsive prospects, the engine initiates live outbound calls using Vapi.ai. Vapi is an infrastructure platform used to deploy conversational voice AI agents. The voice agent conducts a highly natural conversation. It injects the specific variables gathered during the research phase, referencing the prospect's name, their specific company, and their exact website pain points. The engine eliminates human call reluctance. It executes the dialing sequence relentlessly, ensuring no warm lead is ever forgotten. The entire pipeline is built to force one specific event, the point of conversion during a live call. The exact microsecond the prospect registers buying interest, the AI agent tags their profile. That tag triggers a webhook, an automated alert between applications, to ping Twilio. Twilio is a communication API that lets software send text messages. It instantly dispatches an SMS containing your scheduling link while the prospect is still on the line. High-value meetings are booked successfully, entirely without friction, even while you are asleep. Picture waking up to a fully booked calendar that was populated without you lifting a finger. This engine represents a structural pivot in how a business acquires customers. By handing the grinding mechanics of outreach over to automation, you cleanly decouple your personal time from the friction of lead generation. You stop chasing the prospect. You dedicate 100% of your energy and intellect to the single task that requires a human, closing the deal.